What's good, all my SGMers, all my still getting money people out there? And before you watch the video, become part of the SGM family by subscribing, like, sharing, comment, and hit that bell button below so you'll be notified first. And shout out to the SGM notification gang. I see you holding me down in them comments. Gang, gang. And before you watch this video, don't forget to add me on my social media platforms. You go in the link in the description below. There's all my links there to Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Like I said, connect with me. Like I said, I'd love to have all of y'all, you know what I'm saying, follow me. Like I said, once I get a lot of y'all on there, I'm gonna start posting more, but that's probably one of the reasons why I haven't been posting. But anyway, let's get into this video. This video is about an app called let me show you real quick. Let me slide up in here. It's an app I haven't used in a while that I started missing. It's called where is that right there? App like right there, as you can see with the yellow star. So let's get into it. Like I said, this is an app I used to play a lot before, but I didn't fall out of it. I just got busy doing a lot of other things. Like I said, it's a fun app, like I said. And currently I'm on level 2 because, like I said, I actually switched up on phones. So when I tried to sign in, it was giving me an issue. It started me brand new and had lost all my points. So I had to start all over. So you know what I'm saying, that's what I did. But I had way more points, but it is what it is, like I said. So, like I said, all you doing is downloading one of these games over here. You downloaded one of the games. Right now, I only see 2 or 1 or whatever you want to call it. You play, like I said, you download, you press that right there, play to collect, and that's how you gain points. Let me give you an example right here. All right, it's going to install from the Play Store. So now it's installing right there. Well, it's going to install after I install it right here. You know what I'm saying? After I download King of Avalon, Dragon Warfare, install. I'm just doing this to give you an example. They usually have way more games. Like I said, I don't know if they're going to refresh it. And there's going to be more on there. But there's usually at least 5 or 6, 7 more games. So you get to play different options and shit. Excuse my language. You know, they have me having like these bubble games and just stuff like that you can play on the go. Like I said, you could be at work, or you could be at the airport, you could be, you know what I'm saying, on your break. You could be doing anything, you just be bored, period. But you know what I'm saying, a lot of y'all probably do play games on your phone anyway, but don't get paid for it. But now you can. You know what I'm saying? While that is loading real slow, I don't know why, but it's loading real slow. I'm gonna go back to the app like while that downloads right there. So we give that time to download. Let's go right back to app like. Like I said, there should be more. There should be more games. I'm gonna press more stuff right here. See if I can find something. I don't know why there's only that one right there. But I got an old game I was playing right here. Let me see if I can press it. No, I can't. Those are the points I was. Those are the points I had before. I think I deleted that game a while back. So while that loads, because there's only one game, let me show you the other bonuses right here. So this is what you can get. Like I said, I don't know why it's lagging right now, but this is what you can get. This is, they got Amazon cards, right? They got CVS cards. They got Steam. They got more Amazon, like higher Amazon cards. They got a bunch of stuff on here. They got GameStop. You know, things you could play for. You know, actually, you know what I'm saying? They got a whole bunch of stuff. Groupon. You just gotta go through it. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of gift cards on here that you can go through. You know what I'm saying? You can win. You might look at the points as, hey, you know what I'm saying, kind of like this. It's kind of like a lot of points, but it can't be done. It can't be done. Like I said, you're playing games on your phone anyway, and you're probably gaining a whole bunch of points. Probably a favorite game of yours that you play on there. Like I said, there's usually more games on here. I don't know why there's only one. Maybe they're gonna go put more games on here later on. Like I said, during the week. But here's the PayPal option right here, as you can see, which is not much. It's only 50 cents, but I can get that right now. But I haven't been playing. Like I said, I had to start all over. You can get up to $20. Like I said, you know what I'm saying, this is the amount of points you can get. You get $20, but like I said, you probably got a game that got more points than that you've been playing for a while. While you're on the phone, on the way to work, wherever. You ain't getting nothing out of it. You might as well play for something, even if it's $5. You don't get nothing from playing your game on your phone. You don't get anything. You just get entertainment. Get entertained. It might not be the game you pick, but get entertained and make some money at the same time. You know what I mean? It makes plenty of sense. So let me press this right here, man. Where it goes back to right here. Let me see if the app is available, because like I said, I don't know why it's lagging. As a matter of fact, you see Mobile Strike? I got Mobile Strike right here. You know what I'm saying? I thought I deleted it. let me try to mess with it a little bit. Let me turn it down for copyright issues. I need to update it. See, I need to update this, and it's lagging right now, so you know something. I don't know what's wrong with my Wi-Fi today. But anyways, I'm gonna go right back to the app, so I'm not gonna waste my time. You know what I'm saying, messing with that. Let me show you everything else besides that. See, active wallet. Let me show you everything else besides that. Like I said, just wanted to make this quick video. Like I said, you could basically invite your friends also, you know, through social media. You got all the stuff through text messaging, through email, etc. You know what I'm saying? You invite your friends. Look what happens when you invite your friends. You'll receive 250 M coins for every friend additionally, and you'll receive 25% after that. You know what I'm saying? So it's a win-win for both of y'all. You know what I'm saying? Y'all both helping each other. So let's just say I'm playing, I'm helping y'all out. You know what I'm saying? If you playing, you helping me out. It's the same thing. So either or, we're helping each other gain points by each of us playing. Like I said, I could be playing, we could be playing at the same time. We both gaining points for ourselves and for 25% for each other. So it makes plenty of sense, like I said, and that'll be easier for both of us to, you know what I'm saying, to cash out. So like I said, the link will be in the description below. You know what I'm saying? This thing is lagging right now, so I'm not gonna hold y'all right now. But like I said, this is just to play a little game and get paid while you do it instead of getting it for free. Like I said, the link will be in the description below, and also my social media. Like I said, follow me. I'm trying to get most of y'all. No, I'm not trying to get most of you. I'm trying to get all of y'all on there. So like I said, so I can start posting more. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, one more time, everything's in the link in the description below. You don't have to go outside of your phone. Just go on the link, click it. It's gonna bring you there. Download it. You want to come back to the video? That's cool. Like I said. But anyways, the SgmCashoutKing is signing out. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam.
Yeah, I'm in this bitch with terror. Got a head full of stacks, better grab an umbrella. I make it right, I'm in this bitch with terror.